Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. Yeah, we've been doing some work. I got to doing some work and it didn't stop. So I got one battery disconnected. I'm not going to disconnect all three of them yet. I'm going to keep two of them for the time being. Just hooked up just to get a lithium battery a little bit more time to charge up. But they're in here. You know what I'm saying? I even noticed some things going a little bit wrong back here. So I was able to fix it real quick. Other than that, man, make sure everything is tight and nice back here. But I'm going to update you guys on the next move. All right. All right, we back. Yeah, everything is hooked up. Everything is good to go. So we really don't have nothing to worry about. The amp is functional. I still got the two, like I said, I still got the two AMGs, AGMs back there. So there's two AGMs and one lithium. Let's see what the volts looking like. So we up to 14.6. It's charging up. And that's the one thing I wanted to mention too. When you hook up the balancer, Worm was telling me you got to hear that buzz sound once you connect the power. I'm hearing the buzz sound with no problem. I'm gonna probably come back tomorrow and let you guys check out the demo. But I'm gonna try to ride around and let it charge up a little bit. It's like it's adding, I add more power to it. So, all right. So we'll be back. All right, we back. I waited a whole entire day to actually, update you guys. Like I said, I still have both of the AGMs. I have two AGMs and one of the lithium bank. And I was trying to give it back up. And people were scaring me at first, saying that it might take power out the battery. But it didn't take no power out the battery. So actually yesterday we started, it was like 14.2. Now we up to 14.9. Yeah. I mean, and that's why I keep the bass knob around, because I can keep up with the volts in the back. Now as far as how it sound, I mean, I really don't know too much of it. I really don't hear too much of a difference. I'll let you guys kind of judge for yourself. See if we can play real quick. I'm gonna pause it. Hold on. Yeah, I know we heard this song a little too many times, but I mean, I just want to give it a little test. I'm not gonna play the whole entire song. So we're gonna give it a little test to see how it goes off the lithium. I'm gonna turn on the heat a little bit. And what I might do is just keep the windows rolled up. Saying 14.6 on that one, but that's like for the front volts. I like the 14.9, but if I go up here on a car, it actually says 15 volts. So we getting around 15 volts. Pretty much was the same with all the batteries though. It's gonna probably get better. So let's go ahead and give it a try, y'all. See what it's gonna do.
my time. Subject. Loud in the mansion, nigga. Pounds of Reggie in the cab.
Like I said, I really can't tell the difference. I mean, it seems like it's punching a little bit harder, but at the same time, it really don't seem like it, you know. I mean, I like how it still sound. I like the power I'm getting. I went down a little 1 point from banging. I haven't banged all the way at home. So we'll get everything back, and I might just remove both of those batteries, because I'm saying that, you know what I'm saying, that it might not make no difference to have them right now. So I'm gonna remove them probably like next weekend, and then just keep the lithium back there by itself. Other than that, man, you know, I don't know what to tell you guys. Just trying out something, just making sure that, you know, it's something that'll work for me. And that's it. I mean, the volts went back up pretty decent. It does take a little power, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, the lithium battery is not 100% charged up yet. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you do, smash that like button. If you're new and love car audio and wants to learn car audio, please consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.